One bite of this beef fry, and all your worries will disappear. This irresistible dish. Begin by finely slicing one medium-sized onion and 2 to 3 ripe tomatoes, depending on your serving requirements. Next, cut 1 kilogram of premium quality beef into medium-sized portions. Place a wok over low heat. Add sliced onion and drizzle in half a cup of olive oil, gently until they attain a rich golden brown colour. Introduce 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by 3 to 4 whole garlic cloves and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Stir briefly to release their aromatic essence. Incorporate the beef pieces into the wok, ensuring they are evenly coated with the fragrant mixture. Proceed by adding the following meticulously measured spices: 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of mixed herbs powder. Next, introduce the sliced tomatoes along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour in a moderate amount of water and combine thoroughly to ensure an even distribution of flavours. Cover the wok and allow the dish to simmer gently for approximately 30 to 40 minutes over low heat. Periodically inspect the consistency, ensuring the liquid does not fully evaporate. If necessary, add small increments of water to prevent scorching. Stir occasionally to promote uniform cooking. After the designated cooking duration, assess the tenderness of the meat by pressing it gently with a spoon or by hand. The meat should be soft, succulent, and imbued with rich flavours. For an exquisite smoky essence, place a small piece of aluminum foil atop the cooked meat. Position a heated charcoal ember on the foil and immediately cover the wok with a tight, fitting lid. Allow the smoky infusion to permeate for approximately 5 minutes. Remove the lid and garnish the dish with delicate strands of julienne ginger, 2 whole green chilies, a generous handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves, and 2 thin slices of lemon for an elegant visual appeal. Your luxurious, flavoursome beef fry is now ready to be relished. Serve hot alongside freshly baked roti or naan, and indulge in a truly exquisite culinary experience. Hungry for more? Subscribe now and never miss a recipe.